Hi, my name is Dinesh Shashkan Zavre. Today's date is 3 November 2022. If encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction, this concept of Java, this concept of Java, the today's we will be discuss about polymorphism. The polymorphism, the concept is oops. Um, the is achieved by two Greek words. First, poly and morph. The poly words means many, and morph word means form. Polymorphism means many forms. The polymorphism, single action, different ways. The polymorphism is same object, different behavior. The polymorphism example, water. The water is three condition: liquid, solid, and gases. The second example is shape. The shape is different: circle, square, rectangle, triangle, etc. The polymorphism is the two types of polymorphism. First, compile polymorphism, and second is runtime polymorphism. They the polymorphism in Java is used method overloading and method overriding. The first is compile polymorphism. The compile polymorphism is also known as static polymorphism. The compile polymorphism is achieved by function overloading and operator overloading. If the many function many function with same class, but different argument, is function is called as overloading. The function overloading can be changed number of arguments, and can be changed types of arguments. The compiler the compiled polymorphism is achieved by the method overloading. Compile polymorphism is handled by compile the program from the compiler. The overloading is same class, same name, but different arguments. This condition will be satisfied. Is overloading. Second method is runtime polymorphism. Also known as dynamic polymorphism. The runtime polymorphism is achieved by method overriding. The runtime polymorphism is handled by run the program from the JVM. The overriding same class, same argument, and same name. This condition will be satisfied. Is method overriding. The overriding same method. The same method is present. The same method present both subclass and superclass. Same class or superclass is the superclass okay, subclass override in the same method superclass. Then function is known as overriding. The advantage of polymorphism is save lot of time. Second, easy to debug code. Thank you.